So I'm just gonna get into it. It has been all over the community, but apparently there's a rumor that YouTube is gonna lower the monetization requirement. Now I've been in this platform since 2013, and at one point you didn't really even have to qualify for anything. You were able to put videos and make money. Then it changed to like 10,000, I believe, and then it changed again to like the 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000. So YouTube have done many different changes during their time here in the internet. Like I said, I've been doing this since 2013, so I have experienced many different changes. But this is the New York Times right here, and we're just gonna take a quick look at this so you guys can definitely check it out. And it says it right here: YouTube open more pathway to creators to make more money in the platform. We all know that platforms like TikTok and things like that are stealing some of the audience, so I'm sure YouTube wants to make it more flexible for people to make content so they can make money and obviously keep more people here in the YouTube land. The video platform will let creators earn payments and place ad and shorts, which is definitely something different right now. As it stands right now, there's a different type of monetization around that. So again, according to this rumor, you should be able to make money out of shorts, and this is going to be all around an audio leak that was obtained from some type of internal meeting. So again, YouTube is expected to announce more opportunities from content creators to earn money very, very soon. Again, Google-owned company plans to let more video creators earn money from the platform, lowering the barrier to entry to the partner program, according to audio from all YouTube hands meeting on Thursday. According to this, it's expected to be announced on an event on Tuesday, which I think is today. So keep in mind that this is coming from the New York Times, and apparently it was a leak, and so far I haven't seen any announcement as a recording of this video. So again, for you content creator out there, be in the lookout, because if it's true, pretty soon we're going to see new requirements. And again, for some of you guys creating short videos and things like that, this may be pretty beneficial to you guys. And I think for some of the lower creators out there that may be a little bit frustrated to get into the monetization program, this may kind of motivate you, give you that bump to start creating more videos. So again, I'm pretty pumped about this. I'm looking forward to see what's going to happen. Definitely let me know what you think down in the comment section below. We'll see you in the next one.